Hi everyone. I just want to inform you of a very common scam in New York City regarding tickets to the Statue of Liberty. Recently, there have been a couple of Reddit threads that popped up where people have been scammed when they tried to buy tickets to visit the Statue of Liberty. The only official vendor is Statue Cruises. They're the only company which has the boats that will take you to Liberty Island, where the Statue of Liberty is located, and Ellis Island. The other vendors are not allowed to take you to those islands. In this video clip, I'm exiting at the Bowling Green subway station, which is one of the subway stations in Lower Manhattan, which is located in Battery Park near the Statue of Liberty Ferry launching area. In just a few moments, you can see just how many ticket vendors are out here in front of the subway entrance. This man here with the blue shirt and the official looking ID card will not sell you tickets to the Statue of Liberty's island. Many of the ticket vendors will sell you tickets to buses which leave from New Jersey, and then they'll connect to ferries which loop around the island but not visit the island itself. It's a very shady business practice, and I don't know why the city allows this till this day. Unfortunately, many people get trapped. Now here I am in front of the South Ferry subway station, which is only a few feet down from the Bowling Green subway station, and you can see even more ticket vendors here which are not licensed to take you to the Statue of Liberty Island. If you think this guy with the red vest and the Statue of Liberty icon will sell you tickets to the island, you better think again and stay clear. Here I am again, closer to the Staten Island Ferry, which by the way is a free service offered by the New York City Department of Transportation, and if anybody sells you tickets to the Staten Island Ferry, be aware that it's a scam and you should report them to the police. Closer to the Staten Island Ferry, the density of the ticket hustlers increases dramatically as it's their last opportunity to catch tourists before they enter the city-owned building. Don't fall for their aggressive sales tactics, and make sure to buy the official tickets from the Statue Cruises website or in Castle Clinton, which is located in Battery Park. Through some research, I learned that many of the ticket hustlers are parolees with criminal records. Some of them have even gotten into aggressive altercations with people and even calling out racial slurs. I do wish the city would crack down on all these hustlers and aggressive ticket sellers for the Statue of Liberty, but until that happens, all we can do is stay informed and be educated of this common tourist trap. Make sure you stay aware of your surroundings and stay safe, everyone. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Take care.